chainsaws.
Yeah, those are at the top of the hill. Carson, put it down. And she's attached to me, so knock it off.
Is it gonna fall?
Yeah, it's gonna fall. Watch, timber!
Not you.
You wanna do a little bit, Carson?
What?
Go help Daddy do a little bit of sawing. Oh, he did it all.
Here, come cut this one, right here.
Go cut a little bit.
See how I did that?
Can you cut a couple off?
You should do it to this one right here.
Go ahead.
This one?
Yep.
Keep going, you're doing a good job.
Here, turn the other way. Turn this way. It's easier to go this way. See how it just came off? Okay, we're gonna do one more. We'll flip the tree over. Don't fall down with that knife in your hand.